I like that. Can I join you? Can I come with you?
Yes, of course.
But he was a hero of black people, and I want to know about his biography.
Civil rights, and he was very smart and interesting person.
He was a very smart and interesting person. Okay. Yes.
Now I will put here pictures, and you must use your color.
Okay. Which one of you get it?
Things were still hard for Black Americans.
Do your homework and moving forward, right?
Stickers, okay?
I'm really happy that you know them because when I good injustice, it is bad.